Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys what the Instagram Reels bonus is and how you could possibly get it. So let's get right into it. Now, one important thing to note, as of the date of this video, it is not possible to get the Instagram Reels bonus. As far as I know, at this point, that program has been shut down because they have finished testing it. It might return in the future, and the same eligibility requirements may apply in the future. However, at this current moment, you will not be able to get the Instagram Play or Reels bonus, and you won't be able to earn money directly from Instagram. So it is what it is for this current moment. However, as I've said, it might return in the future if they see an opportunity to enable the Reels bonus again. So yeah, the eligibility requirements that were in place, and these are subject to change if the program rolls back around, are pretty much that you just need to be a public creator or brand account. You cannot enable it yourself. You cannot apply for it. You need to be invited by Instagram yourself. What you need to do pretty much is, if you're a public creator or brand account, you must get a minimum of 1,000 views on your Reels in 30 days. And that is pretty much, as far as I'm aware, the only 100% requirement for being invited. Now, of course, they might invite you if you, I don't know, have any contacts at Instagram, and if you meet other requirements, if there are any requirements added in the future. However, at the current moment, the only requirements were that you need to be a public creator or brand account with at least 1,000 views on Reels within 30 days. However, as I mentioned, this program no longer exists at the current moment, so you'll just have to wait and see if it returns in the future. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.